to the National Treasury.
Azikho izinyathelo ezithelwe ungqongqoshe wezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso uPravin Gordhan kanye nesikhulu esiphezulu Eskom Under Director njengoba izwe lihlezi ebumnyameni ngenxa yokusetshenziswa kogesi ngenhloso yokuwonga. Umongameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthi osakumele kwenzeke manje ngokuthi abantu baqhubeke ngokuhlinzekwa ngogesi.
No, I did say we are working together, and I'm saying this is not the time for recrimination which you are pushing, because I've heard you yesterday, you are pushing this, you say fire him, resign and all that, and I know that's what the drama that you would like to see, Samkel. My concern, my main drama is that Eskom must be returned to proper functionality, and it must happen now and immediately. That is my main concern. The other issues I'll see later.
URamaphosa uthi ungqongqoshe kanye nesikhulu esiphezulu eSkom kumele basebenze ukuze kuxazululeke lenkinga yezamandla.
Samkelo, we are all concerned and also a bit upset, others are, and others are very angry. And this is the time for us to work together to solve this problem. It's not right now the time for recrimination. It is for me a time to get people to buckle down and do their work. And I don't believe that this was intentional.
Kodwa ke iEskom isikhombe indlela isisebenzi esababudedengu nokwaba imbangela yokuthi lesikhungu silahlekelwe ngugesi ongu 700 megawatts.
When it happens around two occasions or two events like matriculants writing exams and an election, it does become a major challenge to the people of our country, and therefore I am concerned. And it is for this reason that I insisted that the minister must give facts and explanation to the nation yesterday, which he did.
Umongameli we-ANC usamile kwelokuthi kumele ihlakazwe indlela lesikhungu esiphehla ugesi esisebenza ngayo njengoba sibonakala singenaye umuntu esincintisana naye ekuphehleni ugesi. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngise ekuruleni.